Hello everyone and welcome to the video. I am Ishan and my roll number is 21CS10033. This is my DIY project 1. So I have made a drone in the FreeCAD software. We have to start by making the main body sketch using this rectangle tool. After that I have padded it with 10mm. I have sketched the second part, which is the smaller cuboid which is present on the top of the first cuboid. Next, we move on to the third cuboid, which is present on the top of the base, and this is also padded with 10mm. To set the position of both these cuboids, I have used this below toolbar to set the positions in the attachment and position section. Next, I have made this smaller detailed design, which is present towards both the sides of the drone. To sketch it, I have drawn it with the polyline tool and then later set this. Similar to this cuboids, I have also padded this cider design and then set the position with this toolbar. Next, we move on to the arms through which I have drawn this using the same polyline tool and set the angles and the line length and padded them accordingly. Then I have used the length of the same sketch which I have made and copied it 4 times to make the 4 arms of the drone. Next, I have gone to the part design and chosen cubes and set the position here and here. I have used the boolean operator to remove this from the main arm to create this design. After doing that, I have also filleted these edges to make it look more realistic. A similar thing has been done with the front two arms, where I have put and used the chamfer option from this top toolbar to make this edge sharp. I have made 4 cylinders and padded them accordingly and set them to the required position using this toolbar. I have taken more 4 cylinders, and to design them I have put them on the top of this bigger cylinder, and then on top of that I have included 2 cubes which are used as this propeller, and then use the fusion operator to make them as one total unit. Next, I've also made this cube and inserted it here, and then this sphere to make the camera lens. To 3D print it, we can go to the Cura software. To do that, first we have to select the entire body and export it to the Cura software by converting it into the STL file. So here we are in the Cura software, where we can 3D print this drone which we have built. By selecting on the drone, this toolbar allows us to do various things like rotating the orientation. I have chosen the line density to be around 0.1mm and the infill density to be 20%. The printing temperature is 200 degrees centigrade and the speed is 50 millimeters per second. Let's go on and slice the structure. We can see that it takes around 7 hours and 56 minutes and 35 grams to print this drone. Let's preview the drone. We can see that first the legs start getting printed, then slowly the body, and finally we reach the top of the drone. So this was for the video, guys. Thank you.